brand new. This is as brand new as it comes. So we want you to open it now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's your brand new, spanking new computer for you to be out there. Open the box, it's so beautiful. Oh, isn't it pretty? So that's the system, and there's all these components in there where you get to build it. And the battery, and the screen. So you get to put it together. There's directions. Isn't that amazing?
Can you like tilt it this way? Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
This is fancy.
It's so fancy.
Oh, wow.
So this is the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you guys get to put it together. Fancy. It's sexy and sleek and all of that. Oh my gosh, elegant.
So I'm really excited to meet everyone and be part of the Freedom Rider family and really work on this book. So thank you, Kano, as well, for the computers.
And I'm really excited to be a part of this family because I've just been inspired by the Freedom Riders for so long. And I'm excited to work with you computers and everybody else, and thank you, Kano, so much. I'm excited.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. You just got to do us proud and write your story and share your narrative with the world.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm glad, we all have each other right now.
Awesome.